It's my sweet beginning, and I can tell just what.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Again, I am here with the frosted donut. And today, because everyone has been wanting to see more try on and reviews of makeup brands, so today we have I Heart Revolution's products. Got the donut palettes, which is super cute. They do have more actual palettes, but I only picked up 2. Also got the lipsticks and the eyeliners. So that's the palette, Strawberry Sprinkles. We'll insert swatches over here.
Over my face.
Yes.
And this one's Blueberry Crush. So yeah, kind of like by the colour of the donut, and the name obviously kind of indicates what kind of colours are inside.
And they also are scented.
That smells so good.
I know, right? They're also scented. Like,
that is awesome.
The first initial thing that I noticed when I got them, like, not only they're adorably cute, but they smell so good. Like, they actually smell like what the flavour is.
They're actually, the donut on the top's like kind of spongy and stuff too.
Yes.
It's really, really cool. Like, it's really well done actually, like, and it does have the palette name and the shades on the back and everything too, which is cool. These colours are really, really nice. Like,
yeah.
dang.
Like, I have used them a couple of times. I need to do more with the reds, but I keep mixing the reds with my Mermaid Salon palette, so I haven't done a look with strictly just this palette yet.
The mirrors on these are actually quite big. Like, they could have gone smaller, like, but they did like the full.
Yeah. Also, another thing that I like about I Heart Revolution, their lipsticks. So to me, they seem like dupes of limecrime.
These are the metallic mermaid lips. I've got Siren here.
And I got Deep Sea. And they actually smell like the limecrime ones.
Ooh, yeah, they smell like vanilla-y or something.
Yeah. And
they do, I think these, so I know that I Heart Revolution is like, I don't know what you call it, like a sister brand or something of
Makeup Revolution, yes.
And I know they do a lot of their own products, but they also do some dupes. So these could very well actually just be dupes for the Diamond Crushes from Limecrime.
The packaging is adorable. They've changed, like, they're basically similar to Limecrime, but their lips are a different color, which actually go adorably. I love it next to my Limecrime products. They look so cute.
So excited to try these.
And the next ones I actually really like the eyeliners, like the unicorn horns. Like, I love that part.
Cute.
Absolutely love it. So these are fantasy eyeliner. So I got the black and dragon, which is gold. These products I kind of love, but I also have a lot that I kind of not like about them at the same time. Like, they're only me nitpicking. For example, the brushes. I am so used to using my Chi Chi brush that
is a good brush, the Chi one, yeah.
That this one is just like a little too thick for my liking.
Yeah, it's kind of thick, but it does come to a tapered point. It's just the Chi Chi Cosmetics, they're matte liquid liners.
Yeah.
They're really, really thin.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely adore them. So anyway, enough talking. We'll actually get on to doing the makeup part.
And yeah, then we'll just be back to let you guys know what we think about the stuff overall.
Yes. So I'm just starting off with the actual really light color on the Strawberry Sprinkles palette.
I like that they've got some like really bold colors, but they've also, obviously not so much with the blue one, but with a lot of the other ones, they like have some neutral tones too to kind of balance them out and everything.
Yes. Like, even then, like, you got that light, and that purple is actually pretty tamed.
And it does have like a kind of colour in the middle to use as a little inner corner highlight and stuff.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Blueberry Crush one, and I'm gonna start off with this little shade over here.
I actually really like that shade. Like, I have used that palette the most out of these two palettes, just because like I got like a color from Candy Flaps and Sprinkles that is blue, so I've been doing a lot of blue looks to go with that color.
You don't want to be alone. You don't want to be alone.
So lots of these, I don't know about your one. Oh, you've got a couple of mattes.
Yeah.
A lot of them are shimmers though, so I do have like a really tiny amount of fallout, but that will just like come right off with a fluffy brush. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this dark blue shade up here. This looks so cute.
I'm actually using all of the shades in my palette, like all of them. Yeah, that blue is actually really cute. Also, one thing I do like about the palette is even the dark colors aren't even overly dark, like they're buildable. Which I actually like that about a lot of palettes, you know, something you can work with. Like, it's cool having some products that pack on really dark in the first place, but I also find it, those kind of products, you do get a lot of fallout. It's a little bit harder to work with.
Yeah, it's kind of more versatile when you can, like, because you know, you might not be looking for like a full, like, crazy sort of amount of color.
To be fair, even though we do.
I was thinking more of like, you know, regular people's.
And I can't say it's what you know, but you known it the whole time. Yeah, you known it the whole time.
Now I'm going to go in with that highlighting color, which I'm actually just going to use as a highlighter. Why not? I haven't actually used this one as a highlighter, so I don't know how this is going to go.
Maybe next year I'll have no time to think about.
Unfortunately, when I was purchasing this order, I had like blues in mind, so when I got the red palette, I didn't think about getting like lipstick to go with it. So I'm going with the Siren, which is a bluey green. It's actually really pretty. I haven't used this one as much as Deep Sea though.
The questions to address, might want to try to stop the fire.
I feel like I'm being very tame today, but it's still cute. I'm going to try out this little highlight shade in the middle as well.
I wouldn't test you, I'm not the best you could have attained. Well, why try anything?
I'm going to actually go back in with my palette and just use some of the shades for like a blush. I'm going to probably mix that one and that one together. Just as a little bit of blush.
I'm going to use the, actually before I put this on, I do have something here. It's not from iHeart Revolution, but it is from Makeup Revolution. I'm just going to add a bit of highlighter. So this is their Vivid Baked Highlighter in Golden Lights. Like I said, I think they're like a sister brand or something. And this is like a really gorgeous color.
Yes, I forgot about that. We haven't actually used that in so long.
I know.
I'm still in a little bit.
Go crazy.
Because I like my highlighter.
We'll get there. Just remember, I know.
That's the first time I ever heard you say that.
I know, right? But I did put a lot on. And you can see in the camera that I have a lot of highlighter on. So you know that's a lot. When the camera can pick it up,
Yeah.
you know it's a lot. I've actually gone really subtle with my eye makeup for once.
It's cute. Okay, so I'm going to use the, it's upside down, Metallic Mermaid Lips in Deep Sea. Woo!
That's such a pretty color. I have used that a lot.
Smells so good.
I love when makeup smells really good. Like I don't know why, it's just like when you pick it up, to use it and you just smell it and you're just like, my face is gonna smell amazing.
This is so pretty.
I know, right? They're both really pretty. Like, I love the formula of it. The only issue is it doesn't last as long as the limecrime ones. But you're still able to have like a cigarette with minimal coming off.
Yeah.
That's the word I'm looking for. Transparent. That's the word.
Plus,
Transparent.
the price difference in these two, I mean, in saying that, we both really love limecrime and we love the diamond crushes, but the price difference between these and the diamond crushes is pretty big. This actually dries fairly quickly, like not so quickly you can't work with it, but like I'm surprised at how fast it actually dries.
Yeah. That's actually one of the things, like I said, I do like the formula. It just doesn't last as long as limecrime. But as you can tell, massive difference in pricing.
The colors are gorgeous. It's actually got a really nice like soft matte finish. Like,
yes.
It does define the wrinkles in my lips, but it doesn't it's not drying or anything like that.
No.
I do feel like it does require like a little bit more work to do full coverage though.
Yeah.
But
and
besides that, that's the only thing that I...
And probably the upkeep throughout the day.
Yeah, if you were gonna like wear it for a longer period or eat a bunch of stuff, obviously you'd have to touch it up and everything.
But drinking is fine.
I can't get over how cute these colours are.
So, your initial thoughts of these products?
Okay, so yeah, I definitely agree with you on the eyeshadows. So they're definitely like not ridiculously pigmented, but like we were talking about, I actually do like that in a lot of eyeshadows because then they're really buildable and you can use them for a lot of different stuff. And yeah, the colors are really gorgeous and stuff.
They are absolutely, I absolutely adore them. Like,
they're so cute.
The packaging,
they smell good.
Like,
I just did my eyes. I mean, I didn't do anything extravagant, but just using this mirror. Well, it is a small mirror, but it's still a really big size for this palette, you know. And so you could definitely easily take these places and do your makeup and stuff.
But
like that.
I absolutely like adore these. Like, the packaging is absolutely adorable. Like, everyone who knows me knows I'm a sucker for cute packaging. Like,
And the price, obviously, really good.
That's the one thing I do love about like iHeart Revolution and Makeup Revolution is their prices. They're really affordable products.
Yeah.
And really good.
I feel like they thought a lot about the color schemes too. Like all the colors in each palette just really go together really well.
Yes.
Plus, you can buy a whole bunch of these because they're so cheap, and you can like mix and match the colors. You don't have to just use the one palette, obviously.
Yeah.
So the eyeliners, I didn't try these out, but they do look really cute. This guy actually has like some glitter and stuff in there.
Yeah.
Have you used this one on your eyes before?
No, I haven't actually used that on my eyes, but I can do a look soon. And I'll put in a swatch up here.
I definitely think I agree with the brush. I think this brush is fine. I just don't think it is the best brush.
I think it's just more of like, I'm picky.
A personal preference thing, basically. These look so cute. I just watched Keisha do her liquid eyeliner with the black one, and she's a wing master anyway, but it looks so good. Like the wings are really perfect, and like,
I do actually like.
They don't look like patchy or anything. You know how sometimes with cheaper eyeliners they can be like not as dark, or they can be patchy. None of that's happening at all.
I do like how it is actually a long handle because there's a unicorn horn, and I love unicorns.
I feel like it would be easier to hold and work with.
It is.
Yeah.
It's just the actual brush itself I'm not overly a big fan of.
So yeah, I think we've already covered the lips. Again, like love everything about them. I'd say the only downside is just that, you know, like I said, they take a little bit more of applying to make a full coverage and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's everything else about it I like.
Yes, I absolutely love these products, and I am planning on getting a lot more products from them.
I definitely need to get some donut palettes.
Like, as you can see, there was quite a range of donut
I'm
palettes.
really
so
surprised actually. Like it's not that I thought I wouldn't like them. It's just I didn't realize how much I would actually like these lipsticks.
Yeah.
And now I really, really want some. It does look like there's heaps of other gorgeous colours though to buy. Everything is really, really affordable. All the products, they work pretty well and stuff.
Yep.
And obviously the packaging is really great, so it's a good thing to like display, you know,
yeah.
in your room and stuff like that as well. So yeah.
But definitely reckon it's worth it. Like, yeah, there's a little bit like fallout with the eyeshadows, but you can fix it up by like not doing your base first.
Yeah, putting on your foundation afterwards, or you know, you can get little things from your eyes, or like I just did, you can just like swipe it away with a big fluffy brush, basically.
But
I'll give these easy like an 8 or a 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
And literally the only reason they wouldn't get a 10 is just because
of little nitpickies.
You know what? It's just little bits and pieces really. And are they the most amazing quality in the whole world? No. But everything else about them is like fabulous. So
sorry, there was a bird.
There's a tiny bird.
And I'm just like,
you sit up on the branch.
It's adorable. Sorry, caught my attention. Short span of attention. Sorry, guys. I left.
I think that's pretty much all I have to say about that, though. Yeah,
that's
awesome.
That's literally about it. Absolutely love them. Go to get more of them.
I don't own anything from iHeart Revolution. Like I said, I just own a few things from Makeup Revolution. But yeah, I'm already sold. I'm gonna go over and buy some things like as soon as possible.
So we'll put all the links down below on their Instagram, their site. I don't know, do they have an official site?
I think they do, and then they also
but there
obviously have stockers like Glam Raider where Keisha brought her stuff from, and probably, I don't know if there's any other ones, but if we find them, they'll be down below.
We'll put them down below, as well as our Instagram handling as well, and a link to the Frosted Donuts page, YouTube channel, because we'll also be doing a video together, which is
what are we doing? Oh, we're doing a little jewelry try-on review. Also, some of my series that's called My Top Affordable blah blah blah, and some other little bits and pieces. But we also have a ton of videos over on my channel that feature Keisha, so definitely check them out.
So I'll put the links down below on the videos that we'll be currently doing when they are uploaded.
You just like pass it on to me, and I'm like, I've forgotten what we're doing.
It's your channel. You meant to know what you're doing on your channel. But thanks guys for watching, and let me know if you've tried out iHeart Revolution's makeup products before and what you like about them, what you think they could improve on. Let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.
Bye.